In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite a guest to Asana. If you collaborate with clients, contractors, or anyone outside your company, inviting them as a guest is a simple way to keep work organized without giving access to everything in your workspace. A guest in Asana is someone whose email isn't on your company's domain. They only see what you explicitly share with them, which keeps the rest of your projects private and secure. First, open Asana and log into your account. Make sure you're in the correct workspace or organization where your project lives. If you work across multiple teams, it's easy to end up in the wrong place, so a quick glance at the workspace name can save you time. Next, go to the specific project where you want to add a guest. You can find your projects in the sidebar or by using the search bar at the top. Open the project so you're looking at its tasks and details. In the top right corner of the project, click the Share button. This is your control panel for who can access the project. If you don't see the Share button, you may not have permission to add people to that project, so check with the project owner or your admin. A pop-up window will appear. In the field provided, type the guest's email address. Double-check the spelling to ensure the invitation reaches the right person. You don't need to add any personal details here. Just their email is enough. Before you send the invite, choose the level of access you want the guest to have. You'll see options like Can Edit or Can Comment. The Can Edit permission lets the guest create and update tasks, assign work, and adjust due dates within the project. The Can Comment permission is more limited. Guests can view the project and leave comments, but they can't change task details. If you're inviting a client for visibility and feedback, Can Comment is a safe place to start. You can always adjust permissions later if needed. When you're ready, click Invite. That's it on your end. The guest will receive an email invitation to join your project. If they don't already have an Asana account, they'll be prompted to create one at no cost to access the project you shared. Remind them to check their inbox and spam folder if they don't see it right away. And that's how you invite a guest to Asana. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.